Dynamite sticks or dynamite lumpia. So how to make dynamite sticks? Here are the following ingredients. Sauteed 1/4 kilo ground pork with onion and seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. Finger chilies are seeded out, clean and cut across. Cheddar or any type of cheese that you prefer. Lumpia wrapper cut in half. Put generous amount of cooked ground pork or any meat and cheese you prefer in every finger chilies. When you've got enough finger chilies filled with cheese and minced pork, make a flour paste by mixing flour and water as lumpia sealant. Wrap each finger chili with half of the lumpia wrapper and secure end of lumpia wrapper with flour water paste, then set aside as and do the rest with the other finger chilies. Preheat enough cooking oil to deep fry some finger chilies and do it by batch. Keep on turning as needed. Deep fried until golden brown and crisp. When it's golden brown and crisp, take it out of the pan and drain excess oil by turning upright on a wire rack. Serve dynamite sticks with Thousand Island dressings or sweet and sour sauce. This dynamite sticks is easy to make and is good for appetizer or pulutan. Serve with cold beer as well as a good viand served with steaming rice. Happy eating!